Hi, when bringing an image into MacStitch to create the pattern, after you've brought your image in and you have it all completed, what you do is go up onto the top menu, go to File, Export, and you go down to Tunisian Crochet Graphghan. In this portion, you say Do Nothing, alternate right to left by the thread name, top to bottom, and you hit text. Now what that does is it asks you where to save it. So I'm just going to save it to my desktop for now. Now when I go into the text, I see it here. Now what it's showing me is that on the color blue medium you do 200 stitches. That also includes 200 chains for the first foundation row. And when it says blue medium, you look at the palette, 826 blue medium, it's in a DMC, so it'll give you an idea of what you're looking at. And when you look here, you'll see that it's from top to bottom across the row. And when you look at the very end of the pattern, it's 249 rows. So what I'll do with this text file is I'll export it as a PDF. And I have another copy, so I'm just going to enable it number 2. And it's saved to my desktop. So I'm going to grab that and open it, and there it is, formatted in a legible manner. Currently I had it coming out of text edit itself, and it was just so crunched. Right now I'm on row 136, and that would put me at page 17. There's 30 pages. All I do is print as I go.